Hi guys, good morning. Today guys, super aga kong nagising kasi starting na ng school. Kaya maaga ako nagigising, 4:30 AM pa lang gising na ako para maligo. Tapos magbibihis kasi maaga today ang sasakyan namin papasok ng school. Not only for today, araw-araw yun. Maagang-maaga ang pasok namin sa school. Kasi super traffic guys, kung medyo mga 6 na traffic na talaga puntang school. Time check now is 5 o 6 AM na ng morning. Hey guys, second day for my school today.